In recent years, the idea of energy has gained traction as a potential answer to our resource limitations and reliance on costly, unsustainable energy sources. One device at the forefront of this vision is the Motionless Electricity Generator, MEG, a free energy resonant transformer, which resonates with the historical, architectural, and technological mysteries attributed to the lost civilization of Tartaria. The concept of free energy and the motionless electricity generator. Free energy systems, which require minimal or no external input, have sparked intrigue among inventors and historians alike. Among various innovations, the MEG stands out for its unique structure and potential applications. This small, bracelet-like device, containing a toroidal ferrite iron frame, is designed to transmit magnetic flux using voltage fluctuations at both high and low frequencies. This design allows it to draw energy from natural sources, particularly the ground and sky. The device's structure suggests that it harnesses environmental energies from the earth through grounding mechanisms and from the air using an antenna, much like the architectural designs associated with Tartaria. This ancient civilization reportedly integrated energy harvesting technologies into its building designs, particularly using antennas and ground connections that might have powered entire structures. The MEG similarly functions as a resonant transformer, leveraging voltage transients generated by short-circuiting the transistor. This method requires neither continuous fuel nor ongoing external energy, embodying a sustainable power source that seems technologically aligned with Tartarian principles. Tartarian technology and architectural parallels. Tartaria, a supposed ancient civilization, has become synonymous with advanced, mysterious technologies capable of generating free energy. According to theories, Tartarian architecture incorporated devices or methods that allowed entire buildings to function as energy generators. Each floor of these structures may have had a MEG-like device to produce energy for the building's needs and possibly for surrounding areas. This structural integration of energy sources with architecture could have supported a vast, thriving civilization without reliance on fossil fuels or conventional electricity grids. The connection between the MEG and Tartarian architecture demonstrates the feasibility of energy independence at the building level. If buildings were self-powered, societies could operate without the extensive infrastructure we currently depend on for energy transmission and distribution. This approach aligns with the promise of free energy technology, a shift toward energy independence that could transform society by making power universally accessible. The social and economic impact of free energy. The deployment of free energy devices like the MEG has the potential to reshape social and economic structures. In a society powered by free energy, the need for money, especially in large quantities, would decrease as essential needs like electricity and heat would be freely available. This paradigm shift could lead to a reduced dependence on conventional economies, empowering individuals and communities to produce locally and sustainably. In such a world, energy poverty would be eliminated, as anyone with access to a MEG or similar device could harness their own power, driving widespread prosperity. Furthermore, free energy technology could foster an economy focused less on consumption and more on creativity and well-being. Machines, farms, and factories could run indefinitely, producing goods without the cost constraints associated with fuel or electricity. This model challenges the existing power dynamics in which centralized energy suppliers hold substantial influence over both resources and citizens. Future vision, embracing free energy against the New World Order. While the prospect of free energy provides hope for a prosperous, equitable society, it also poses challenges and potential resistance. The New World Order, a concept often linked to future control and surveillance through digital currencies, microchipping, and DNA editing, starkly contrasts with the ideals of an independent, free energy society. Free energy could offer a pathway to self-sufficiency, minimizing individual reliance on government-controlled resources and infrastructures, thereby challenging any potential power structures designed to centralize control over society. Proponents of free energy and ancient technologies equips us with the knowledge to pursue alternative futures. Rather than a world of digital prisons and controlled economies, humanity could achieve an era of autonomy and abundance. For many, exploring these suppressed technologies is an act of resistance, a preparation to prevent future monopolies over energy and resources. Building a motionless electricity generator, practical steps and possibilities. The MEG is relatively inexpensive to construct, with accessible materials that include toroidal ferrite cores, basic transistors, and rainwater-charged lead-acid batteries. Enthusiasts and inventors can set up a Level 2 system to achieve high output, especially useful for households. With approximately 10 to 20 batteries and a large inverter, this setup could power a home for 5 people, providing a practical demonstration of free energy's potential. The vision of a prosperous world powered by free energy is a bold one, yet it is increasingly achievable with devices like the MEG. This resonant transformer, which mirrors the technologies and architectural philosophies attributed to Tartaria, offers a practical foundation for self-sustaining communities and economies. By shifting from centralized energy sources to individual sustainable devices, we pave the way for a future that values independence, environmental harmony, and societal well-being. Whether one subscribes to the vision of Tartaria or views free energy as a purely technological breakthrough, the potential of a world without energy scarcity is compelling, a future that aligns more closely with the ideals of prosperity, freedom, and self-determination. For those interested in pursuing these designs, a wealth of resources and tutorials exists online, offering guidance on creating MEG-like generators and integrating free energy devices into everyday life. As more individuals experiment with and adopt free energy solutions, the collective understanding of this technology grows, gradually moving society closer to realizing a truly prosperous world.